Welcome to GACC Corporate Consulting Exam Booking Guide video. Watch carefully till the end to understand the booking process. Once you log in to greatascentconsulting.com, go to Exam Booking menu on the menu bar. You will be directed to the Services page. The Services page has all the certifications and certificate exams listed. Choose the certification relevant to you and click on Book Now. Now you will be directed to the exam booking page for the selected exam. Read the description. Ignore the upcoming session section, as your exam would be available to take any time once you book. Click on Book Now. Enter your first name, last name, email ID, and phone number correctly. Ensure that you have read the examination outline, which clearly explains different aspects about this examination. Check the checkbox. You can optionally opt in for free job-related services. These are no obligation services we provide. Enter your experience details. Once done, proceed to Book Now. Choose the method to pay, either Google Pay or pay by your credit debit card. Ensure your card's international online booking permission is activated. Go ahead and place order and pay. Once the order is placed, you will get a receipt on your email address, which you have provided. You will also receive emails to access your exam and passwords separately.